Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm trying to help somebody draw this. This is really pretty easy. It's like a racetrack or whatever you want to call it. But let's take the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. Go ahead and make it 2 inches. And then with your ratio lot, let's change this to 1 inch, and that gives us a rounded corner. I could have put in 2 inches. It was not going to do any more or any less. But to save a lot of time, we'll actually make it a little bit longer. Save a little time in deleting a bunch of lines. We're going to go to Object and convert this to a curve. And then we're going to take the Shape tool, and we're going to grab these two nodes and right-click and break it apart. Get your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. By breaking them apart, that stops the virtual segment delete key from deleting it. Select those three nodes, break it apart, take your virtual segment delete key and delete those lines. Now, when we flip this guy, we're going to set our nudge. Remember, this is 2 inches wide, so we're going to set our nudge factor on 2. If we will hit the plus key on the keyboard and then mirror it, but because it's taller in one direction, it's going to mirror it. It's going to have a line up here. That's because we've got our object origin in the center, and it is in the center. But if we take this piece and move it to there and have it snap to, now they're equal. Now we can hit the plus key and hit it twice. And just keep, and you could have Control D and made a duplicate, but I'm just hitting the plus key. Now these are separate lines. So let's go up to Object and combine it. Then we can take it and make it something other than a hairline, and we'll make it 24 points and rounded corners, end caps. Now if we go to Object and convert the outline to an object, we can left click, right click, and you have a racetrack. And you're not finished there. If you want to keep going and make it a little thicker, you didn't make it thick enough, you can always go to Effects and Contour. Contour 1/4 inch to the outside, and you have that. Go up to Object, break Contour apart, grab the center contour and delete it, and voila, you have not the exact same size, but pretty close to the drawing. And you could, there's many things you could have done. You could have had it twirls on both ends. You could have it stop on both ends and do whatever you want to do. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. And thank you for watching.